Imagine whipping up crispy fries, juicy chicken, or perfectly roasted veggies without the guilt of excess oil or the hassle of a messy cleanup. This GreenLife compact electric air fryer oven, 5.3 quart, is here to transform your kitchen game, blending cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design to deliver healthier meals in a snap. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or a health-conscious foodie, this air fryer oven promises to make cooking faster, safer, and more enjoyable. Let's dive into why this countertop marvel deserves a spot in your kitchen and how it can elevate your culinary experience. Why the GreenLife air fryer oven stands out. The GreenLife 5.3 quart air fryer oven isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's a versatile, health-focused powerhouse designed to simplify your cooking routine. With its PFAS-free ceramic nonstick coating, advanced air crisp technology, and spacious 5.3 quart capacity, it tackles everything from family dinners to weekly meal prep with ease. Its sleek taupe finish and compact footprint make it a stylish addition to any countertop, while its 8 one-touch presets ensure foolproof results for novices and seasoned cooks alike. Key features and benefits. Here's a closer look at what makes the GreenLife air fryer oven a must-have. PFAS-free ceramic nonstick coating. Free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, this premium coating ensures safer cooking and effortless food release, reducing the need for oil and simplifying cleanup. Advanced air crisp technology. Rapid 360-degree air circulation paired with precise temperature control delivers golden, crispy results with minimal oil, making it a healthier alternative to deep frying. Spacious 5.3 quart capacity. Perfect for family-sized meals, the generous drawer accommodates everything from a whole chicken to a batch of fries, all while maintaining a compact countertop footprint. 8 one-touch presets. Choose from air fry, fries, roast, bake, fish, steak, veggies, and wings for quick, consistent results tailored to your dish, no guesswork required. Sneak, peak window and interior light. Monitor your food's progress through the large viewing window and interior light without opening the drawer, preserving heat and ensuring perfect results. Dishwasher-safe drawer and tray. The non-stick drawer and tray are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup as simple as popping them in the dishwasher or wiping them down. Professional-grade design, the stay-cool handle and easy slide drawer ensure safe, effortless access to your food, while the auto shut-off timer adds peace of mind. Energy-efficient cooking. With 1,500 watts of power, it heats up quickly and cooks faster than traditional ovens, saving energy and time. Who is this air fryer oven? 4. The GreenLife air fryer oven is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their cooking while prioritizing health and convenience. It's ideal for busy families. The 5.3 quart capacity and one-touch presets make it easy to prepare large, healthy meals in minutes, even on hectic weeknights. Health-conscious cooks. With PFAS-free nonstick and up to 95% less oil, it's a guilt-free way to enjoy crispy, flavorful dishes. Small space dwellers. Its compact design fits seamlessly into apartments, dorms, or cozy kitchens without sacrificing performance. Meal prep enthusiasts. Batch cook veggies, proteins, or snacks with ease thanks to the spacious drawer and versatile cooking modes. Beginner cooks. The intuitive digital display and presets take the intimidation out of cooking, delivering professional results every time. Why choose GreenLife? Over competitors. Compared to other air fryers in its class, the GreenLife 5.3 quart air fryer oven shines for its health-focused design and multifunctional capabilities. While some competitors offer similar capacities, few match GreenLife's commitment to non-toxic materials or include features like the sneak peek window and interior light. Its 8 presets provide more versatility than basic models, and the dishwasher-safe parts set it apart from brands that require tedious hand washing. At a suggested retail price of around $74.99 to $99.99, it offers exceptional value for a premium appliance that combines style, safety, and performance. The verdict: a worthwhile investment for healthier cooking. The GreenLife Compact Electric Air Fryer Oven, 5.3 quart, is more than just an appliance. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Its PFAS-free ceramic nonstick, advanced air crisp technology, and user-friendly features make it a standout choice for anyone looking to cook healthier, tastier meals with minimal effort. While it may take slightly longer for some dishes, its versatility, safety, and ease of cleaning can make it a worthy investment for busy households, health enthusiasts, and small space cooks. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.